Welcome to Bet 5. Most people think Baccarat is unpredictable. But after analyzing or observing hundreds of hands, one repeating mistake starts to appear again and again. And it's not about strategy, it's about timing. Let's break it down. When you watch Baccarat long enough, something interesting happens. You stop focusing on individual wins or losses, and you start noticing player behavior. Not the cards, but the reactions. Because most players don't actually lose on bad decisions. They lose on bad timing of decisions. They jump in too early or too late. Visual streak already formed. Players joining late. The most common mistake is late entry into a trend. For example, banker wins 3 or 4 times. Players hesitate. Then suddenly everyone jumps in late. But by the time they enter, the move is already over. And the next result often reverses immediately. This creates frustration. I was just about to bet that. I missed it again, and that frustration leads to worse decisions. The opposite mistake is even more dangerous. A small reversal happens, and players instantly switch sides. They don't wait for confirmation. They react to a single outcome. So instead of following structure, they start flipping direction every round. That's how controlled play turns into chaos. What actually happens in Baccarat is simple. Most tables move in waves. Not straight lines, not perfect patterns. But human behavior is the opposite. Humans want certainty, so they force meaning onto randomness. This must continue. This must reverse. This is the perfect entry. And that emotional interpretation is what creates mistakes. The solution is not a strategy, it's patience. Instead of reacting to every shift, wait for confirmation. Avoid chasing missed moves. Skip uncertain spots. Because the biggest edge in Baccarat is not prediction, it's restraint. So after watching hundreds of hands, the biggest lesson is simple. It's not the cards that beat most players. It's their timing. If you enjoyed this breakdown, subscribe to Bet 5 for more real insights into Baccarat gameplay and strategy. See you in the next video.